Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, what is Mendeleev's periodic law? All of you know the first classification of elements was provided by Mendeleev's. Okay, now we use modern periodic table, but before this modern periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table was used because Mendeleev was first classified the elements. Okay, so today we shall discuss Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, that is what is Mendeleev's periodic law, and also along with that we shall also discuss the drawbacks, or you can say the defects of Mendeleev's periodic table. What was the defects of Mendeleev's periodic table? We shall also discuss today in this video. Okay, so let us start. Actually, Mendeleev classified the elements according to their atomic weights. Okay, that is the physical and chemical properties of elements was classified according to their atomic weights. Okay, and this is the Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, because Mendeleev was classified the physical and chemical properties of elements according to their atomic weights. Okay, and this is the Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, I shall show you the definition. Okay, and also Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic weights. Okay, and those elements which have similar properties are repeated in a regular certain interval. Okay, in Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, and this repetition of properties of elements in certain regular interval is called periodicity of elements. Okay, this was given by Mendeleev. Okay, so all these are Mendeleev's periodic law. Now come to the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, what was the defects or drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table? Okay, now we shall discuss. Before that, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I shall upload my new video. Okay, so now let us begin. Now first of all, you see the statement of Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, so Mendeleev's periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic weights. Okay, so as I have already told you, Mendeleev was classified the elements or the physical and chemical properties of the elements according to their atomic weights. Okay, and this is the Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, so now come to the drawbacks or defects of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, what was the defects of Mendeleev's periodic table? Now we shall discuss. Okay, now you see drawbacks or defects of Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, number one point is anomalous position of hydrogen. Okay, anomalous position means the position is not fixed. Okay, that position is called anomalous position. So you see hydrogen is placed in group 1A. Okay, what is group 1A? I shall explain you. Okay, then however it resembles with the element of group 1A, group the elements of group 1A is alkali metal. Okay, and group 7A, and group 7, the elements of group 7A is the halogens element. Okay, therefore the position of hydrogen in the periodic table is not fixed but it is anomalous. Okay, now first of all you have to know what is the elements of group 1A. Okay, and which group is group 1A. Okay, and which group is 7A. Okay, you have to know first. So if you see in the periodic table, that is modern periodic table, you see this one is group 1 element. Okay, in modern periodic table 17 groups are present and 7 period are present. Okay, so in modern periodic table this is the group 1 elements. Okay, and in case of Mendeleev's periodic table, this group 1 elements was known as group 1A. Okay, that is this one, group 1A. Okay, so in case of Mendeleev's periodic table, group 1 was known as group 1A. Okay, but now it is known as group 1, only group 1 in modern periodic table. Okay, now what was group 7A? Okay, you see the group 7A means the group number 17 in modern periodic table, that is the halogen elements. Okay, you see this one the elements of group 17. So in Mendeleev's periodic table this group 17 was known as group 7A. Okay, so now come to the main point. Hydrogen is placed in group 1A, that is in group 1. It is given. Okay, but however it resembles with the elements of group 1A or group 1, that is alkali metal, and group 7A, that is group 17 elements, halogens. Okay, that is hydrogen is similar with the elements of group 1 and also with the elements of group 17. Okay, that is the halogen elements. Okay, so Mendeleev was unable to fix the position of hydrogen, that is in which group the hydrogen will be placed. Okay, because the properties of hydrogen is similar to both these elements of these two groups. Okay, that is group 1 and group 17. So Mendeleev was unable to fix the position in which group the hydrogen will be placed. Okay, so you say therefore the position of hydrogen in the periodic table is not fixed but it is anomalous. Okay, so this was one of the drawbacks or defects of Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, because Mendeleev was unable to fix the position of the hydrogen. Okay, in his periodic table. Okay, so this was one of the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so now come to the number 2 point. So number 2 defect is some dissimilar elements are grouped together while some similar elements are placed in different group. Okay, that is in Mendeleev's periodic table the elements which have similar properties, that elements are placed in different position, and those elements which have different properties, that elements was placed together. Okay, so this was one of the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so you see the example, alkali metal, that is the group 1 element such as lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. are grouped together with coinage metals such as copper, silver, gold, though their properties are quite different. Okay, that is the properties of this group 1 elements, that is the alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, and the properties of these coinage metals, copper, silver and gold, are different. Though their properties are different, but was placed together in Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, and so this was one of the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, because Mendeleev was unable to explain why the elements having similar properties was placed in different group and the elements having different properties was placed together. Okay, so this was also one of the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, now come to the next point, that is number 3 point. Okay, so number 3 defect is that anomalous pair of element. Okay, that is the position of element is anomalous. Okay, now you see some elements with higher atomic weight are placed before the element with lower atomic weight. Okay, that is in Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev was arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic weights. Okay, but in Mendeleev's periodic table was seen that some elements which have higher atomic weight are placed before the element with lower atomic weight. Okay, so you see the example, this argon, the atomic weight of argon is 39.9 placed before potassium 39.1. Okay, that is this element with higher atomic weight placed before this element potassium with lower atomic weight. But according to Mendeleev's periodic law, these elements should place before then this element, because this element have lower atomic weight and this element has higher atomic weight. Okay, but this was not happen. Okay, and in Mendeleev's periodic table was seen that this element was placed before then this element. Okay, and also you see the second one example, cobalt, the atomic weight of cobalt is 58.9 is placed before this nickel 58.7 atomic weight. Okay, so the atomic weight of this cobalt is higher than this nickel. Okay, so this was also a defect of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, Mendeleev was unable to explain the anomalous pair of element. Okay, that is why the element with higher atomic weight are placed before the element with lower atomic weight. Okay, so this was also a defect of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, I think Mendeleev's periodic law and drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table is clear. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.